In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Google. Then tap on All Services and scroll again to click on Autofill with Google here. Now choose Google Password Manager and tap on Add Password. Finally, input all of those informations to add your password. And when you finished, to save them, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!